Hey guys, Cole with Pro Inflatables here. I'm doing an unboxing video for Big and Bright Inflatables. So, Big and Bright Inflatables, Matt and Garrison and everybody over there, they've treated me so well. And I thought, you know what? I was about to do all this and I thought maybe I'll do an unboxing video for them. And so today we're unboxing Big Top 6. So I already own their Fieldhouse 6. It makes me a lot of money. I love it so much. When they came out with this, Garrison sent me this, and I was like, yes, sir. And I bought it right there on the spot. And what I love about Big and Bright is they take care of me so well. They send it out at the time that they said they're going to, and it always comes with their Big Bad Wolf blowers, which are awesome. They're strong. They have good cord placement, especially the new ones, the version 2. They're fantastic. And when you get interactives, they always send stuff. All the stuff needed. I'm not even sure what's all on this thing. I just knew I wanted it, so we're gonna find out together. But yeah, let's start unboxing. All right, so we are getting everything out of its box, unwrapping it, getting the inflatable out of its bag, which I will throw that bag away. I never get my units back in their bags that they come in. It's nice and everything, but I just can't do it. And getting ready to unroll it. It is slightly heavier than my OG Fieldhouse 6 because my Fieldhouse 6 doesn't have a bottom to it. The new ones, I think do. I think Matt and them said that the new ones will have it, and of course the Big Top 6s will have bottoms to it, which makes it so much easier to roll up and keep clean. And right off the bat, when I was blowing this up, I was so impressed with the unit, its color and its artwork and the carnival theme. It's just, they really did this unit perfectly, I think. And yeah, and to give you a little wraparound tour of it here in a second so we can show it off, and then we'll go over the 6 games. I love the 3D carnival men. They just are so cool to see in person. They're like 6 feet tall. All right, and now this is Bank-A-Ball. It's simple. I think it would have been harder if I stood back further. And then milk can toss. This is classic and fun. I couldn't believe I actually made that shot. And next is skee ball. Now this one was my personal favorite. I had the most fun. I could have stayed here like an hour just trying to make the shots. I finally do make one, but the balls come right back to you, and it's just perfect. It's a great little game for this unit. Next is the like dart toss, balloon pop. And it's just throwing Velcro to Velcro. Pretty hard, but satisfying when you make it. This was a really fun one too. You just try to smack the faces down with the balls, throwing as hard as you can. The last one I hit was really satisfying because it actually fell back. And then ring toss. This one is another favorite of mine. It's just perfect. It's exactly what you want it to be, and it works just as well. And I'm very, very, very happy with it. Big and Bright Inflatables, y'all knocked it out of the park with this one. Look at this guy. This is an amazing unit. Thank you guys so much for taking care of me so well.